Hello everyone, this is Kartika and you are on my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about hair care. Over the past 3 weeks, I have been using a product which has actually tackled most of my hair concerns, and some of are my biggest hair concerns like dandruff, dryness, overall dullness, etc. And let me tell you, the transformation has been amazing. So my scalp was struggling with dandruff and irritation, and my hair felt so dry, especially at the ends. And I started using this Glosseo Rosemary Hair Oil twice a week and massaging it gently into my scalp and through the lens. So during my first week, I applied the oil twice and I immediately loved how lightweight it was and no greasiness at all. And the fresh rosemary scent felt like a calming ritual. I actually felt like I'm in a spa or something because the smell actually felt like aromatherapy. If you have ever been to aromatherapy, you can actually relate to this smell. And after the first few uses, my scalp felt so soothed and it was less itchy, which was a huge relief because of dandruff I used to have so much itchiness in my scalp, and which was like drastically reduced after first use only. So the oil is a powerhouse of natural goodness. It's enriched with ingredients like rosemary oil and castor oil and jojoba oil, along with essential oils like tea tree oil, lavender oil and peppermint, which are known for their soothing and nourishing properties. By the second week, my dandruff had visibly reduced and my hair wasn't as brittle anymore, and the dry ends that I used to struggle with was very much more hydrated. So the blend of the essential oils not only nourishes the scalp but also improves blood circulation, balances the oil production and gives your hair a healthy shine. So now it has been 3 weeks of using this oil and my hair feels completely revitalized. While it's too soon to expect major hair growth because I know it's not the magic product that can instantly gives result. So if you are planning to use this product for hair growth, I would tell you to use it at least for an year or two to see a major difference. And what I have noticed is a healthier scalp, and my hair feels alive again and so soft and so shiny, and it is so manageable now. I completely love this hair right now. A small important note before moving on, I would like to say that if you are having any health concern, please check with your doctor before using this product, and it's always best to stay safe and informed. So you might ask, what makes Glosseo so effective? So it's packed with 20 natural ingredients and a unique blend of 9 essential oils and herbs, and it promotes scalp health and improves circulation and deeply conditions your hair without any harmful chemicals, which is like a very great product, by the way. If you're looking for a natural way to make your hair healthier and reduce dandruff and also hydrate your dry ends, I would suggest you to use Glosseo Hair Oil, and this is like a must try. So the link of this product is going to be in the description box. Make sure you check that out. Thanks for watching this video, and also make sure you like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time in a next video. Until then, bye bye.